Hi Sprouts! Today I'm meeting you outside of my chicken coop with one of my favorite stories called There's a Bird on Your Head. And this is an elephant and piggy story written by Mo Willems. Kind of like Williams, a little different sounding. Piggy and elephant are best friends. They're just hanging out, and can you see who's kind of coming? Can you predict what's going to happen? Piggy! Is something on my head? And Piggy says, yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now, there are 2 birds on your head. How does elephant feel about that? What are 2 birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love? Ugh! They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they're lovebirds? They're making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head? Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? What do you think Piggy's gonna say? 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then, I have good news. The eggs are gone? No. The eggs are hatching. Hatching! Oh, look at all those capital letters. The eggs on my head are hatching. Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now, I have 3 baby chicks on my head. And 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks and 2 birds and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Asks Piggy. Hi, Blue Jean. She's coming for story time too. Somewhere else! Oh boy, he yelled so loud he made Piggy do a backflip. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Oh, ask them? Ask them! Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked! Bye! Now there are no birds on my head. Oh, thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. What do you think's gonna happen? Right now, tell Mom and Dad, what do you think's gonna happen? You are welcome. Oh no, where did they move to? Is that the ending you predicted? I'd like to introduce you to some of my chickens really quick. We're gonna peek inside the coop. Dottie? She's heading down the stairs right now, I think. This is her spot where she likes to tuck back there and lay her eggs. And down here, we have Dumpling, and Alleluia, and Chinook, and Cheyenne. Thanks for coming to the coop today.